Alright, what's going on? So, today, I am, car's all prepped for paint. Wow, the video settings suck, but whatever.
Somebody's crying, Bolo. Somebody's crying, Bolo. I need you love today. I need you right away. Somebody's in this bed. Somebody feels like no one cares. Somebody's in this bed. Somebody feels like no one cares.
Car's ready for paint, just needs to get scotch brighted. Now I'm doing the front bumper, the side skirts, and the rear bumper, getting that prepped for paint. Yeah, so that should be fun. Other than that, I'll probably start painting in like a day or two. So yeah, enjoy this time-lapse of me sanding down this bumper.
Somebody's crying, Bolo. I need your love today. Somebody's in this bed. Somebody feels like no one cares. Somebody's in this bed. Somebody feels like no one cares.
All right, front bumper is all done. I believe so. I hope so. Good, good, good. All right, I'm just gonna rinse it off and yeah, take another look after it dries. See if I missed any spots, because now it's all still covered in like haze from the sanding. But yeah, I'll be right back. All right, now I'm gonna do the left rear over fender, which goes on that side and covers up this ugly mess. So yeah, time lapse of this as well. I'll probably just do time lapses for the other over fender and then the bumper. I gotta take off the bumper too. Luckily it's just held on by zip ties. Yeah, so I'll catch you guys after all that. Holy crap. What is going on, guys? So, the past 2 days I've hated my life. This is why. I've been in such a bad mood because of this one thing. I thought like spraying with a gun like this was gonna be challenging, but it wasn't gonna be too hard. Don't look at that. So this is my DIY paint booth. I know it's not right, it's not whatever. This is the first like thing I did. It's not terrible, but I don't know, I was just getting frustrated because the primer that I was spraying, it was coming out like that. It wasn't coming out like nice, like That's a can. But like I did all these like test spots, but still it wasn't going down right. But oh, what's this? Oh, it's just water. Why is there water? My roof is leaking. My roof is leaking again. Oh gosh, they're coming tomorrow to fix it, but still. Yeah, but this was sprayed down with a can, which are over there. I bought like 12 of them. This is sprayed down with the gun. I mean, it's a lot smoother than this, so that's gonna need sanding, wet sanding. But like, I don't know, this just wasn't covering right, and like this tape looks like it. So I gotta peel that and try and fix that. But I don't know. I just hated my life these past 2 days because I've been setting all this up. It's so dusty in here. I'm gonna turn this off because it's warm enough. I've just hated my life, so I don't know what I'm gonna do with my life right now, but I got a bunch of stuff just laying around here. I'm gonna try and I started wet sanding this, and this is coming out fantastic. Like, to feel it, doing some 800 grit, it's coming out amazing, like mint. So I'm just gonna do the cans for as many things as I can because I don't have a lot of primer left in here. Probably have enough. I might say that to do the whole car, or like this stuff, because this doesn't really need priming because this is gonna get cut. Don't care about that too much. Kind of doing stuff backwards because I should have mounted this up on there before I start painting it, but I don't know what I'm doing with my life. I might try and put it on once that's all ready for paint actual, then I'll put it up, drill the holes in here, and try and make it look nice. But I'm gonna try and paint the fenders. I don't know what I'm gonna do with that fender, but I'm gonna try painting the trunk, that, and that today. So stay tuned, I guess. Alrighty, so just finished the first coat on the fender with using this Rust-Oleum Auto Primer. It's working phenomenally. I'm so much more comfortable using the cans because I've used them before, but this is the old one, and then this is the first coat on the left-hand side fender. So I did a first light coat, and then second coat I'm gonna do another light coat, and then the third coat I'm gonna do like a heavy coat. But like, it's just looking so much better already. While that's actually drying, I'll show you what else I bought. I bought paint for the wheels, and I think it looks awesome. So it's a mess here, so don't judge. Okay. In here we have tack wipes. Don't know that, but this is a piece of resistance. All right, so. Wait, did I buy more primer? I bought more primer. I forgot about that. But this will be used for the wheels, because I like that primer. So, for the front wheels, I bought this fluorescent. Opa! Basically dropped the camera right there, but bobbled it and caught it. So, high visibility finish for vibrant color. So, I want to see what this is going to look like. Let me open this. This is a little spilled. Oh yeah. Yeah, buddy. These are the two over fenders. Wet sand already. Nice and smooth. Just gotta get cleaned up before I paint, but nice and smooth. I mean, not perfect, but looks decent and better than that white fender. Yeah, I'll let that dry and I'll be back for the second coat. I'll show you that one. Alright, boys and girls. Sound like Bane, but we're going in. We are going in. I'm gonna just set you guys down right here. I'm gonna get to getting this primer laid. So, fender is all done. Just need to wet sand it. Next up is trunk and bumper. So one thing I saw is you could see the fiberglass. You see that? Yeah, there you go. Let's bump up the ice a little. Come on, focus. There we go. That's so cool. Looks weird, but doing the final wipe down of it and then laying down the primer.